It's August 20th, 2026. So whenever I gotta go put a filter in under a sink for somebody, electrician guy I usually, that I know. He wants a filter under the sink so he could, filter the cold water. So I got something from the Homeless Depot, something that's, looks pretty user friendly, and they get cartridges for not a crazy amount of money. Some of these under mount sinks, I mean, the cartridges go for crazy money. So trying to get him something that I'd put in my house, that he's got to probably change the cartridge every 6 months when the water starts getting slow, and he can get cartridges at the Homeless Depot. I think it's a GE. I gotta mount it underneath the sink and then pipe it off. The cold water will go through this filter and then up to the faucet. That's what's gonna happen. So I got adapters, brass adapters I need to go to the faucets, 3/8, so I can bring full size 3/8 into it and 3/8 out of it up to the faucet. So I got him some two extra filters and a wrench to take it apart and whatnot. So
I didn't say you wouldn't do it. I just said, call this guy. He does air conditioning too. She's got central air. It's a big one of those big old houses right near Santander Bank on Rockdale Avenue.
oh, okay, yeah. So them other filters. These are the ones I got here. I think it's taste and odor. Chlorine, taste and odor is the ones I got. So as a spare.
All right, thanks. Yeah, this is
the chlorine. The chlorine one is chlorine, taste and odor is the one you want. It's more like a carbon.
Right, but that's what would be good for this house, right? Because
yeah.
It's Dartmouth water. I mean, I got a filter on the water in the refrigerator, but
put a little jism on there.
It doesn't get up in the microwave. It's probably not too.
I don't know why they got such a little hole in the flipping thing, but that's how it is. What can I tell you?
So, did you connect with Susie or no?
Yeah, I called her.
And she works as a respiratory tech, but she has like certain days that she's home.
She's home for 30 days?
No, I said she's home on certain days.
Oh, on certain days.
Like, I forget if it's Friday. I put up a motion light for her, and she got a pool heater last year.
I put a little key grease on there that helps it to seal and come apart.
Let me know if this is hot enough, Steve. Looks like I make
sure
my coffee early.
You take your coffee black, that's fine, put it up there.
No,
you can put it in there for 10 seconds?
17. But I mean, I shut it off about less than an hour ago. I'll put it in a little longer. You like it hot?
Yeah, what the hell? I want the coffee hot, guy.
Right, yeah, I feel the same way, Steve. Yep.
What the hell?
How long? What do you think? Another 17?
Oh, put it in for a minute. What do you mean? What's this? 20 seconds shit.
Jesus Christ.
Is it hot or not?
Not really.
Alright.
Alright, well, it tastes funny. You made the call, but it goes a minute. Don't burn your lips, Steve.
No.
How old's the dog now?
She's 8.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, time goes by, huh?
Yeah, jeez.
I mean, I'd take her to work, but she wants to stay home on the couch. I mean, what can I tell you?
Right.
I tell her, let's go to work. She looks at me and she runs up on the couch, and I guess if I chase, she wants me to chase her, I think.
Yeah.
Catch me if you can.
Yeah, she's that kind of dog.
She thinks that's all is a big flipping game. Oh.
Nice dog, though.
Yeah.
Jeez, I can smell the fucking coffee boiling, guy.
Alright, that's fine.
Alright, I'll put it up here. But
Well, put a little bit of
It's fucking hot. But
Alright, so what are we gonna do? We're gonna put it in the back there, you said, right?
Yeah, back.
Alright, so where's
Close to
in?
the pipe as you can. You gotta
This
get
is
that
this is
clean out.
in. And then that's out, so we'll do it this way.
So I can bypass it, right? If I had to, or whatever. Is that the way it works now? That's fine. It doesn't matter.
Oh, you don't bypass it. You shut it off,
Right.
and you change the filter.
Select the right filter. So
The filter will be good until it starts slowing down. When the water, you'll see the water flow getting less.
But you bought the first one, the FXUT.
I bought two. I didn't know if one came with it, but I guess one didn't. So
Yeah, that's fine. But I'm saying there's 3 available, so that one has the best carbon block. It's good for 6 months, micron rating, flow rate.
Oh, I did the right thing here.
Well, actually, there's one that takes out. That one takes out sediment, chlorine, right? And there's a yellow one that takes out sediment, chlorine, lead, and cysts. What the hell is that?
It should be good.
And then there's another one that takes out all those plus select VOCs.
Hopefully, I can.
Yeah, let my wife. She's more into this anyway. I didn't. My daughter's got one of these, I think, on her kitchen sink. She lives up in Melrose or whatever.
I gotta go with a different. I gotta go with a straight adapter. This fucking adapter's not gonna work.
My daughter won't drink the water here, even from the.
She what?
She won't drink the water here because of all those reports. But I don't think our water's that bad.
Well, they say if you're diabetic, you shouldn't drink the water. It's like, what the hell is up with that?
No.
If you're diabetic, you shouldn't drink the water. So I mean, how good can it be for you?
Yeah, but that fucking water you buy like I buy bottled, there's no.
She says, as long as you don't have cancer and you're not diabetic, you could drink the water. It's like, are you serious?
Who told you that?
The lady from the water department.
That's crazy.
Yeah, as long as you don't have cancer or you're not diabetic, you could drink the water. That's what she told me.
So where do I get these filters? Lowe's?
The Home Depot or online, just look it up. Look up the number and the brand and the number on the filter, and you get that one. It's probably better to get like half a dozen.
Yeah.
They got them at Home Depot.
Okay, I'll get them at Home Depot.
I got one that's a little longer here. It should work. A little longer. This one's a little bit longer. Yeah, it'll be better. I think it's gonna go over the top. That one's better.
I know, Friday night trying to get out of Boston.
Better.
Oh yeah, it's not you, so. So the city folks are heading to Cape Cod on Friday night.
Something like that. There's some screws in there. That's good. Out of the way. Get a wrench for it. There we go. I just have to do is get a cold. Those are cold. Does that go in there or in there? I'm not sure what in was. This is out, and that's in, so it's coming in here. And this is out to the faucet. I'm just gonna get one to come in. It's going out to the faucet. I gotta get one that comes in from there to there. Alright, so let's see what we got there. Probably two 12s. 20's not gonna be enough. Or is it? Oh, I think I need two 12s. From there to there, two 12s. Need a straight piece of copper maybe. That'd be even better. Not a lot of room here to play around with this thing, but that's gonna be alright once it's tight. It should be. Alright, that should do it. That should do it, I'm not thinking. Alright. That should do it. We'll see if it works now. Maybe it leaks. I'm gonna tighten it. valve's open.
The rest of the day, you know? But, how about
You want me to put a date on that thing, or are you just gonna wait till it goes low?
Yeah.
Huh? I don't think you need a date on it. It's a little slower than the hot, but it's because it's going through the filter, right? It's a little slower than the hot, but that's because it's going through the filter.
Sorry under there, Steve.
Yeah, so I left the wrench up on top of the thing. You know what you need for filters, right?
Yes.
And I mean, you could get, if it was me, I would get like half a dozen of them while they're still available.